I'm a part of the CHARM committee. We know that finding a job and contacting companies can be really hard and stressful for many people. And just attending the CHARMfair is not enough. And that's why we have gathered many tips for you to make it easier for you.
If you connected with a company during the fair that you'd like to talk to again, you can always contact them yourself. It will only look good if you say that you spoke to them during the fair.
My best advice is to check your email after the fair, since companies are able to contact you either by email or on Graduate Land.
A good master thesis can open up for other opportunities after graduation.
My best tip is to try to practice before you go to a real interview, so you can feel more comfortable and make a better impression.
Hi! Remember to save your CHARM catalog and mark the companies you find interesting for future job searches.
Always keep your resume updated. You will never know when an opportunity appears.
Remember and write down who talked to you on the fair. It gives a good and personal impression, and you can mention it later on.
A quick tip is to save your old personal letters to reuse parts while making new ones. This could save a lot of time.
Check when the application for the summer job closes so you don't miss it, and start applying now.
Hi! If you're interested in a special field or area to do your master thesis or to find work, you can always contact one of your examiners or a teacher, and they will provide you with the contacts that is useful for that process. They are always more helpful than you think.
To be completely honest, my best tips to you is to join the CHARM committee to receive better contacts with the companies. Application will start later this spring.